There we go. Happy Friday, Palmetto people. You're looking at Revolution Explosion. 5-box. Random team break number 2. Sold out. 30 spots sold. Thank everybody who jumped in. We're jumping over to our randomizer. We got a fresh list in Excel. Copy all of our teams over. We're going to roll 2 dice. See how many we're randoming. 10. Looking for 10 here. Final shot. Jazz up top. Down to the Raptors. And some Big D hunting. Paste it in. We're looking at Handsome with the Jazz. Grant going Bulls. Dimitri, Grizz. There you go, Jordan. Spurs. Matt Kahn with the Mavs.
First break mojo, Jordan.
Jeez.
Congratulations.
Boom, boom.
Grant, Atlanta. Dimitri with the Cavs. James taking the Heat. Celtics, Nets. Eric, Clippers, Lakers. Nice. Eric with the Knicks. Handsome with the Bucks. Nick with the Blazers. Little scoot hunt. There's Tyler jumping in. Give me the Hornets. Herms with the Pacers. Grant with the Sixers. Nick with the Magic. Nice. We've got Matt Wizards. David Suns and Warriors. Man, David always locking down the Warriors. Matt with the T-Wolves.
Curry signs in 23. He's live too, on card.
Handsome with the Pistons. Herms with the Rockets. Murphy, Nuggets, Thunder, Kings. David with the Pellies and the Raptors. Let me print the list out. Let us know if you have any trade requests. Put anybody on the board. If not, we'll close up the trade window. What you got?
What's the Balls rookie year?
LaMelo?
Yeah.
LaMelo is 2020. He's not, LaMelo not in this one.
2021. No?
Yeah, this one,
Brandon
LaMelo,
Miller.
we've upgraded to a currently healthy Hornets player.
Hey.
LaMelo out for the season again. That ain't good.
It's a time to dump LaMelo.
Or there's a time to buy. Could it be now? All right.
Look at
T-Law
Kobe
right
White.
now.
Look at Kobe White. You know, everybody bailed on Kobe White, and now he's.
I'm not seeing any movement in the chat. You know what that means.
Trade window closed.
Breaktown open for business.
Mommy boat.
Hewitt.
It's your first time ripping Revolution, but we know you've watched hundreds of videos.
Hundreds of videos, if not thousands. There we go.
Guys, while we're ripping, ooh, all right. Another baseball order. We'll get them updated as we're going. Keep them coming in. I know the website's probably backed up with traffic. Don't let it distract you. You can make it through.
We'll have to step out here and take a call from Shopify. They're worried about the network shutting down.
Nice. All right, we're up to date. Down to 11. We're about to be in single digits, everyone.
As soon as that break turns green, boys and girls, it's guaranteed to break tonight, one way or the other.
I'm looking for the back.
Even if we make Tyler stand on the corner of the highway with a big sign.
There he is.
There we go. Lift off. Brandon Miller.
How
Don't
about-
worry, Chuck E. Cheese
On
is
the
open
docket.
till 11. You can still make your dinner arrangements.
They're not letting you in. Give me a call. I'll put in a good word.
Got Anthony Edwards.
There it is. Numbered Ant.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yep. 78 out of 125.
This is the first parallel for this card. Neutron.
D'Angelo Russell. Brandon Ingram. And a Klay Thompson. By the way, how about... It's going to take me a little bit. I got a weird deal with my retina right now.
Ooh.
Yeah. For everyone out there wondering why I'm going to...
We're not here to
Don't worry, I got a weird thing with my retina all the time.
P. Jones got full at Chuck E. Cheese. He can get us in late.
We got Jalen Hood. Spencer Dinwiddie.
There he is. Spence.
Not numbered.
This one you're basically looking first card, second card.
Yeah, so
then
it's kind of like Don Russell Lee.
Then we're getting base.
Yeah.
They don't need to see
Bradley
that
Beal.
base.
Stephen. And then Kyrie Irving. You usually go from the back.
They don't want to see it, but they want to receive it.
We get a Kobe from the Vortex. Going to Atlanta. And Jaylen Brown. So,
Oh. First
we already
break
saw it.
mojo.
Karl Malone.
First break mojo. The
You
mailman.
serious?
Yep.
The bank.
Karl Malone.
Call Chucky. Get him in.
That is funny. That's not funny, but
We
Going.
got a Miles Turner. Yeah.
I forgot to sort, so I'm going to have to dig. That's going to Handsome on the board. There we go, Handsome. Handsome. I wonder how Handsome feels about the mailman. We're going to find out when he picks this up.
Someone give you the card and a $20 gift certificate.
Let's go, Handsome. Nice one.
Chuck E. Cheese.
We got Julian Phillips. And a Craig Porter Jr.
Rookie? I've not seen
Yeah.
that. Has to be his first card. I've not seen Sir Craig in this.
Who's kind of focus? Not close. Cool. And Chet. And a Draymond.
Is it easier to see it up on the camera up there? Or?
Huh?
No. Either way.
No, I was wondering. It looked like it was out of. Could just be me.
Julian Phillips.
We got a Jet Howard
Magic.
for the Magic. A Michael Porter Jr. for the Nuggets. And a Jordan Poole. Bridges. Yeah, that's on. And Joel.
Yeah, Revolution's weird how it opens. It opens
Mhm.
weird, and it's the packs are backwards.
We got a Walker. Going to the Pistons. Hey.
There's some numbered action. That one is
65 out of 99.
That tells you the parallel right there.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, Cosmic. There we go. Thank you.
Let's hit it with the sword.
Westbrook.
No, not the sword.
Tyrese. And Desmond.
Cosmic Sabonis.
Some of these packs are like hard to open. Oh. The John Morant. Shockwave. Supernova. Stephon Curry.
Nice.
Nice. Carl Anthony. And Jalen. And John Collins.
Curry going out. None other. David Terms with
How
the
many-
Warriors.
How many autos are
What is it?
How many autos are coming out of Revolution?
How many autos?
Yeah.
Oh, they're not guaranteed.
Oh, they're not guaranteed.
No, we're winning. We're beating the odds right
There
now.
we go.
Destroy them.
Especially with the mailman, an auto of caliber.
Craig Porter Jr.
We're doing better than the claw game at Chuck E. Cheese.
Aaron Gordon. I got a Zach.
It's about one. I think it's about one for every 4 boxes.
Malcolm.
His autograph.
DeAndre.
Oh, you said 2 boxes.
I thought it was 2, but the 3 we ripped yesterday. And you're right; these corners are all destroyed.
Yeah.
I thought it was 1 every 2, but last night the 3 we opened from 24 had no autos. Surprisingly, the only auto was actually in the 2022 box. Craig Porter. Who are you, Craig?
Check that out.
Come on, Wimby.
We did not. I don't think we saw Wimby in our 3 boxes on
None.
Wednesday either.
Jeff Chappelle came in the shop today.
I'm about to do a summoning party for Wimby out in the back.
He said he opened
Thompson.
1 blaster and did better than all 3 of our hobby boxes on Wednesday.
There he is.
Good Kobe.
Pigtails going to the Hawks.
Oh, right behind it.
Big Zoo.
Hey.
There's Zubac for the Clippers. Eric Red with the Clippers. Nice one. Is it on card Zoo? Or sticker?
No, sticker.
Sticker Zoo.
Sticker.
Was the mailman on card? On card mailman.
Was it
There
on card?
Yeah,
Mailman delivers on card.
he does.
Yeah.
He's never-
Giddy.
He lets Avaca know who the
Avaca.
power forward was.
He signs on card check. He doesn't carry around a roll of stickers.
No, he doesn't. He likes to meet and greet his fans very well, is what I've heard from Carl.
Keontae.
Oh, he'll give you a greeting, alright.
I got a Walker. Pistis. Got a Jarrett. Kevin Durant. Oh, Evan Mobley.
Clippers and the Mavericks. A little rematch from the COVID bubble, right?
Is that when is that tonight, or is it over? I remember trying to watch some last night and there was not any on. So
Jet Howard. Hey. Stephon Curry.
there we go.
Hey.
Back to Herms.
98 out of 149 on the impact. Let's go.
Impact.
We'll like it. We'll take Impact Curries.
Okay.
Kaboom Curries, basically.
We got Russell, Tyrese, and Desmond.
When did this start? Mavericks and Clippers start on Sunday. Sunday at 3:30.
Sunday.
Is there any tonight or no?
Tonight, Bulls are playing the Heat right now.
What?
Heat are up 47-37 at halftime.
There we go.
Brandon Miller and a Supernova. Brandon Miller.
Jaime Jaquez.
Carl
Hey,
Anthony.
me.
Jalen
Leading
Johnson.
the Heat. with
John
10
Collins.
points. I tell you, the
Jeez.
Heat are like the quintessential.
The
They're a
Heat-
great team. They're terrible for the hobby, but they're a great team.
But they're kind of like they're kind of that just playoff team though.
I mean, they're just a great team. I mean, they,
Ooh. Jalen Wilson. I thought that was somebody else. Paul George.
they've got 47 points and 8 people have scored. Well, 7 people have scored 5 points or more.
Levine.
So
Malcolm.
Remember when the Martin
Yeah.
brother that the Hornets traded away just started balling for the Heat, and then we got the worst of the two.
that's how we do it. Then we got the Kings and Pelicans later tonight at 9:30. So
Ooh, that's the one. That's the one I'm. There's Scooty.
Scott Henderson.
enjoy a
And Tyler,
beverage
you
and
can
watch some.
you can adjust it as well
Okay.
if you like. Cause
Yeah,
that's just
'cause
how
I
that's
usually-
just like how I like holding cards. So grab it there and just you rock it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, I do a little bit higher. Okay.
And then you gotta then just work the glare angle, and you're just absolutely, you're in perfection. Yeah.
There we go. You gotta get it down. Hey.
Zion ended up averaging 23 points.
Franz Wagner.
Horn said Zion got hurt, and that's the real reason why the Lakers beat him out.
Left hamstring strain will be reevaluated in 2 weeks. Ooh,
Miles.
Zion,
so Zion's
Yes.
out. He's out.
but they're out anyway, right? They lost to the
Looking at
Lakers.
the wrong-
Oh,
It
Oh.
says playing Pelicans and Kings.
what did they? Did they play multiple games? I thought the Lakers beat them.
Maxwell Lewis. Still trying to get that.
Yeah,
So
well, I
work in
think that was for the 7th seed.
Oh, they
No,
were.
Julian.
playing
Mm.
for the 8th
Schroffler.
seed.
Oh,
So,
there we go.
I think you get 2 chances, like the higher up you
Got
are.
James
Wait,
Harden.
is that? Hang on. Oh, it is
Galactic.
Galactic
No
for
way.
the Sixers.
James Harden.
Jeez.
Don't look. It's Grant
Tyler.
with the Galactic case hit.
Pulling autos out of Revolution, now Galactics.
You guys,
P. John is out.
I got the Magic hands.
Man, I've actually never seen one of these in person.
Yo.
What was the Chinese New Year? Wasn't a Galactic? You pulled a 101, but it wasn't a Galactic.
Mm-mm.
It was just a numbered
Yeah,
101.
these look insane. Nice.
I was like, that's
What's
special.
the, condition one? What's it like? Is it dinged up?
No.
You got a Shockwave.
It's actually in decent. It's in decent condition too, Grant. It's not It's not dinged up.
Chris Paul.
A lot of the Revolution's been dinged up.
And Grant, people are big on the beard these days. He's kind of shedded away that negative energy.
Jordan.
He's back.
Yeah.
His beard
That's
is
nice.
back.
Joe.
How much did Ward sell that Noir card for? Like 2,500 or something?
That was what? Yeah,
The game
a
used
lot.
patch, the playoff used patch.
What?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
let me take that.
Grant, you want to grade? Let's take a shot with James Harden. I'll look at it a little bit more. I'll put it in the grading stack. I'll look at it tomorrow.
Or I mean,
My vision's almost as bad as Tyler's right now.
let me see it. My vision's all right. Now you might want this in your possession for when this might be a sell now card.
That is true, actually.
Top.
Grant has fast fingers on eBay.
Grant, this might be an eBay card. You want to eBay it or grade it?
Grant has
Do it,
everything on
please.
eBay before the UPS updates his package is being delivered.
You want a front and back eBay pick, Grant? We'll hit up. We'll call the studio, see if they're open.
Glamour shots.
Yep.
Mall closes at 9.
If-
We got to get there quick.
What was that chick's name off Napoleon Dynamite?
Who, Tina?
Tina. Yeah, she does glamour shots too. She's pretty good.
Grant, you know what? If you don't, someone might throw you a 20 spot at this card
What?
if you want it.
Quest Junior.
20 spot.
Devin Vassell. Hey, Jalen Brown.
Oh, there's Jaime. Nice.
Bam. Fran. Bam, Franz, bam.
Man, like the Harden, like some of these corners are horrendous, but surprisingly, that Harden is not like that.
Usually that sometimes is the case where the case hits are like the only card that is not messed up.
Like,
I've seen it before. Hopefully it's happened to me.
like Jaime is being.
Shockwave. Cola
Bilal, yeah.
Bola. Jackson Jr. Devin Booker. Nicola. Marcus Smart.
Alright, he says grade it.
Grade it.
Grade it.
Got it.
Solid is solid.
Can we
Solid
leave
is
it?
done.
Can we leave it in the hit stack or no? Or does it go? You want it straight to the grading department?
Send it in the express.
All right, it's getting
It'll be in the
expressed.
mail in the next 30 minutes.
Wouldn't that be something?
Be in the mail in the next 30 minutes. It'll be at China
You get a
and
Bates.
tomorrow.
Craig Porter Jr.
Craig Porter?
Craig Porter.
Sunburst Porter.
Austin Reeves.
That one's...
Julius. Rudy.
Who has the Cavs? Cavs are killing it with Craig Porter right now. That is Dimitri.
Yeah.
This one is out of 75.
Oh,
as
it's out
well.
of 75. Yeah, sorry.
Pretty much with these, if you see that
74 out of 75. Yeah, Sunburst. Okay.
with the
yeah.
retina,
Yeah.
but I don't know about the retina right now. If you see that bluish, like down bottom right,
Yeah.
see the tech,
Yeah.
it's kind of
Okay.
like a dead giveaway.
Yeah, I can kinda
If
see
their
that.
name is blue instead of this traditional, it's probably gonna be numbered. Except for, I don't think it's that way with fractal. Yeah, see, these. Just look for that highlight blue and you're
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. There's the Wimby
Finally, the Wimby.
on a supernova.
Who? I can't remember who had him. Jordan. Jordan jumped in and said, "Give me Wimby." There's one Wimby
Not bad.
on the board, Jordan.
There's another Quez Jr. Vortex. Oh, you got to be kidding me. Third
Yep.
one.
Third auto.
Third auto.
I did pick these boxes strategically out of the case. I might be better at picking boxes than ripping boxes.
On card, Jalen.
Jalen Duran for the Pistons. That one's going out to Handsome. There you go, Handsome. How about not one signature, but two? We'll put Duran right next to Carl
Tyrese.
in your
And
stack.
said, just give me a Luca auto.
He said, "We'll trade me for Luca." Will you take this Malone auto for a Luca blaster?
Bilal. How do you pronounce that last name?
Bilal Koulibaly. Koulibaly.
We got another Harden right there. Nope. Jalen Brunson. Cameron Thomas.
There's Bilal.
It's wild, these names, man.
Yeah, they're kind of crazy.
They are, of course, it's a lot of foreigners playing in the league.
Try to rip prison basketball and call out all the autographs.
Jordan Hawkins in the Vortex. Anthony Black.
Here's the Magic. Magic on the board. There's Nick.
Spencer.
Allier.
Darius. Chris Stops. On base.
Nicholas Allier.
Got a Noah Clowney. Liftoff. LeBron James.
Numbered. This is the
Yeah.
first numbered liftoff I've seen.
6 out of 99. Nice.
6 out of 99. Is that his? What's his current jersey number? Is it 6?
It's always been 20.
No, I think it's.
6? Is it? Mm.
I feel
Jalen.
like it's 6.
Aaron. Michael Porter.
But why would he be in 23 in this? Maybe he used to be 6. I'm not actually sure with LeBron. Might be a at one time jersey match. But he's wearing 23 in this one.
Got a Kobe.
He was 6.
Stephon Curry again on the
cubic
nice.
Curry.
There he is.
15 out of 50.
Yeah.
We'll take those.
Jersey confirmed.
Oh, he isn't a
Jersey match LeBron, but I love Cubic is my favorite. You gotta hit him with that front pick of Cubic again, Tyler. Give him the up close. Yeah.
It's got a cracked ice kind of feel.
It's got like a 3D effect climbing up
It's like a
Digging.
floating stairwell.
you're underground digging for sapphire and you found it right there.
BAM! What's that? It's the Gatlin One Mix. BAM!
Back to Herms. Nice one, Herms.
And we got LeBron, PJ, and then Andrew. Wiggles.
Yeah, the hits in this, even this, like Herms, this card's in good condition. But every single base card around it, terrible condition. The hits are preserved.
We'll go to
The mummy treatment.
Woo! Herm's taking down the Yankees.
Hey, there he is.
All right, we're giving away the Reds, everybody. We're giving away the Reds in baseball. Everybody knock out those small fish. Pick up a decent team. Get you a shot for the Reds.
Herms said, "Give me the J-Dom."
Got Jaden Ivey. Ooh, die cut lift off. No, same thing. Yeah.
We're looking for Chet and Paolo in this year, guys. We went back a year.
We got a Tyrese Maxey. Hey. And a rookie auto right off the bat. First pack. Christian Braun.
Numbered Braun. The Nuggets.
4 out of 100. Wait, why does he have a 0?
Huh?
Oh, because he was a rookie.
Yeah, this was last year. Denver Nuggets. Eric Murphy. Murphy on the board.
On the fractal.
No, he might actually be number 0.
Really?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Fractal Braun. You're looking at... He's got a ring already, Murphy. Nice
Julius
work.
Randle. Simmons. Is it hard to get autos out of that one?
Yeah. None of the boxes have autos guaranteed. There's...
Jaden Hardy.
That's 4 for 4 from us right now on autos.
Jari Eason. Rookie Revolution. Wait, is that? Nope.
Sorry, Eason, yeah.
No, it's Santos. Wasn't. Anthony Davis. RJ.
Evidently, Tari Eason was trending up near the end of the year.
Devin Booker.
Don't sleep on Tari. 4 for 4.
Boy's got hot hands. New nickname.
Woo!
New nickname, Hot Hands.
The new breaking duo sweeping the nation, Tyler and Pijon.
Hey, we got Jalen Williams. On the
This one is...
right.
Yeah, this
Kevin
is the
Porter
good
Jr.
Jalen Williams.
Desmond Bain. D'Angelo Russell. And Jalen Brown.
Grant grabbing the A's and the Guardians.
The A's.
Baseball's getting very close, boys and girls.
Malachi. We got a Peyton Watson. Paul George. Brandon Ingram.
The A's.
And Clay Thompson. See, like these Revolution packs, they're so much easier to rip compared to the other.
The new ones are...
Yeah.
These four sleeves.
Ridiculously.
I got this whole one. I double loaded on accident.
Kevin Durant Vortex. Revolution.
61-51 Heat.
And we got a Ja Morant. Astro. Leonard. Cunningham. And Harris.
Oh, this is the phone me up job card. I like this one.
Trevor Keels. LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James.
More
On the
LeBron.
groove. And we got a Marcus Smart.
See, here it is. In the
Larry.
6 uniform last year. Why is he in 23 now?
That is weird.
They're using old picks.
He just wants to give more people chances at jersey match cards. LeBron's cool like that.
LeBron James.
I don't think he's cool like that. I think
No.
that's the last thing on LeBron's mind.
No.
We got a Jake
He's thinking about how can I get my son in the NBA.
Yep. Walker, Kessler.
Walker Kessler.
Go to Pascal. Hey yo. Jamal. Hey yo.
Ayu, evidently Ayu is another one. He's playing good right now. I didn't realize these people that fell off the map are like Kobe White are balling. Who knew?
I feel like that's not.
When you make the playoffs, things happen.
You got Rudy.
If Cody Martin can do it, so can you.
LaMelo Ball. A ball so hard. 75 out of 149.
LaMelo.
On the impact.
It's going to double T there. Nice one, T.
Alexander. Bam. And Darius Garland. Final box. This is the one we're looking for the Kobe's.
Looking for the Kobe's.
Looking for the Kobe's.
Looking for the Zions.
And the Zions. Kobe, honestly.
And maybe the Kobe Whites.
Hey everybody, just a public service announcement. We're gonna cancel the Whatnot show for the night. Just having too much fun on the website. But don't worry, we'll be back on Whatnot. We'll schedule some shows. I'll come in tomorrow and get everything scheduled for tomorrow. We do have a special show. We're gonna try to do something. I gotta figure out when the draft,
Oh,
the first
yeah.
round's gonna be over. I want to do a show right after the first round. We gotta kind of time it right because we got some NIL hits and we got some. The double shot's gonna have some NIL guys that actually become drafted guys. You're gonna see sports cards transform before your eyes. It'll be pretty cool.
We're gonna call it the Double Shot Experience.
But yeah, no whatnot tonight. Everybody go enjoy the Kings and the Pelicans
Hey.
and a cold beverage, which most of you are probably enjoying that already.
A
Usually what I
frothy
do.
beverage.
Wiggins. Wait, so these are regular now. So it's back to
This year this year is actually correct. So like the
base
parallel will
of-
be the third or second to last card more than likely.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
We got Bagley.
Probably 3 base, then you're cooking with rookies, and
Autos.
I've only opened one of this year, so yeah.
Miles Turner.
Probably autos for you, yeah.
D'Angelo Russell. Shockwave. Ooh, I thought, man, we were going to be first pack magic. Luka.
I got you, Murphy.
There's Luka.
7-8, man. Gotcha.
Not the Luka we're looking for, but the Luka we got. Luka Samanic going to the Spurs.
Get it Harden. Jalen Brown.
D'Lo.
Derrick Rose. I really wanted to see Derrick Rose do well in his career, and that just.
He did do good.
I mean, the
Early
beginning
on.
of it. Yeah.
How about D'Lo in the Nets uniform with the
Romeo
Warriors
Langford.
card? Man, he's been on a few teams. Giannis.
Giannis.
Oh, Giannis. Romeo Langford.
I like the back of the cover.
Where art thou, Romeo, today?
Why not that Romeo?
Tis not. I don't know if people know where he is.
Jimmy Butler.
Jimmy, did he get hurt last night? Jimmy Watkins?
I feel like Jimmy's always tweaked a little bit.
Victor. We got a Luka on the Vortex.
Here's the Luka.
There's a Luka.
that the troll?
I can't see his name.
Nikhil, that's
Yeah.
Nikhil Alexander, the Zion troll. He got us.
The lettering on his name is like all together.
Yeah, he's got a long one. You should see the back of his jersey.
I mean, like to the point you can't even like it doesn't make sense. I probably don't even.
Nikhil. It does kind of look like
Yeah,
nickel.
nice, yeah.
It's like Nickelback.
Nickelback, greatest band alive. Prove me wrong. Jordan Clarkson, Dennis Smith Jr., Kyle Lowry, Mike Lowry.
What is the parlay? Herms, is it just win or is it an under situation? Or is it a Kobe White over 30 point situation?
Traco Fall.
There he is. Porzingis for the Mavs. Maverick version of Zingis. And there we're looking at 2 Grant. I just didn't update it. Never mind. Sorry, Grant. Getting you excited. Grant.
David taking down the Royals.
David. Guardians and A's.
D'Angelo Russell. Lillard.
David said, I had a great night with the
Yes.
Royals the other night. Give me some more.
Ben Simmons.
Oh,
Supernova.
yeah, that Bobby Witt Jr. from National Treasures should be in your package.
Yeah, you got
Terms.
that was a sweet Bobby Witt. I think you got the high or the low as well with them.
DeMar. Kyle. Dragic.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I have.
Goran Dragic or something like
Do
that.
something.
Mm-hmm.
Some get down. D Rosen, I was like, yo, and then I forgot it was 20.
Yeah.
20.
There's the cubic DeRozan.
6 out of 50.
Spurs first spot mojo. Nice. Going back to Jordan.
Allen. Allen? Usually Allen has 2 L's.
You're right. Yeah, he is definitely foreign.
Look at Buddy. Joe. Blake.
Simonovic. Or Smailagic.
Jalen Noel. And Bruno.
Yep.
Fernando. Last pack.
Bruno.
Magic.
Bruno Fernando. Not going to get the job done for the Hawks there.
Are we going to get our auto out of here?
We've already defied all the odds. We can't be let down if we don't get it.
Go Luka. Call. Bam. Dylan Windler. Kind of goofy looking. No auto this time.
It's alright, boys.
It's
We
okay. We did
defied-
well.
Defied all the odds. 4 autos out of 5 boxes of Revolution.
Just remember who pulled it.
That's more autos than we got out of a case of Prism this year.
Mm-hmm.
I see our Prism boxes weren't bad as far as autographs. But
I saw other people getting hosed, but somehow you're right. Somehow
I think we
Palmetto.
missed one.
they sent us a couple. That first case was kind of juiced a little. They said, you guys break this for all your fans. All right.
Until through.
Want to fly through?
Yeah, let's go over it.
Little flyby action.
First up, we got a DeRozan. 6 out of 50.
You can just kind of breeze through them. Just show them. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. I normally hold the whole stack and just slide them to the left.
Our coupon at Chuck E. Cheese expires in an hour.
We gotta get there.
You
Will they
just
turn off all the beverage machines?
got 5 out of 149. Got Scott. That number. Jaden Ivey. 1 out of Christian. 4 out of 100.
Christian Braun for the Nuggets.
Yes, sir. Then we got a Stephon Curry. 15 out of 50. Lift off. Bronny. 6 out of 99. Jersey. Even though that's 23.
The baseball with the Bulls.
Anthony
Killing.
Black.
We actually are getting. The website
Is
jammed
it?
up.
I'm telling you. There's a lot of demand.
Jalen
On,
Durham.
I think KK, I think
On
other
card.
people, they see our prices and they're starting to lower theirs. Traffic is insane on our
Super
website right now,
Wemby.
guys.
Greg Porter. 74, 75.
It is nutty.
.98 out of 149. Kobe.
I normally like
65 out of
PCing the
99.
weird dudes, but I just can't look at Kobe Buffkin with those pigtails. He's a strange dude.
Karl Malone, though. That.
I saw Karl Malone is on the checklist or like the sell sheet for the 2018 box that didn't have one, but the mailman auto is sweet. All right. Thanks for tuning in, everyone, and we'll see you in the next one.